All right, what we got here is a 2017 Hyundai Veloster, and I'm doing an oil change on it. So, first things first, for you to even get to the oil pan, you have to take off all these security. Why is this camera doing it? So all these little security bolts in there, like 8mm. You take all these off. Oh my lord! There's like 5 of these bolts holding in. They're all 8mm. So that was 1, 2. Oh wait. Right there, 2, and then there should be a 3rd right there, another one right here, and another. Where the hell is that last one at? Right there. Takes off the little skid plate here, and we can start beginning to do our oil change. Right here, you can immediately see. Right here, that's the oil filter, and I'm gonna take that off next. So far I've only used the 8mm socket doing this right now. Here, got the oil splurging out here. There we go. There we go. Need to clean that up. So make sure you want to clean that off of all the dirty oil and whatnot. Get up on there. And bolt is a 17mm, so get a 17mm. Damn. Get a 17mm, and how about it? Let's get to Jesus. I mean, if your bolts tore up a little bit like this one, I would recommend replacing it. It's a 17mm, and look at that. This thing is due for oil change. Oil's all finally drained out, and it's time to put some new in then. Actually, it's time to put some new oil in, and where is it? Oh, right there. What you do is put your oil in, and then that's that. That's how you change your oil on your 2017 Hyundai Veloster. Non-turbo, by the way, non-turbo. The tools I used was a 17mm and an 8mm. 8mm to get off the cover at the bottom, 17mm to take off the oil bolt, which is, I don't know where it's at, but yeah, that's what I did. Oil filter, hand tight, and yeah, that's all. That's how you do it.